Okay, hi YouTube. I got my fetal Doppler today. Yay! And I already tested it, and I heard the baby's heartbeat. My husband tried it on my belly, but he couldn't find the heartbeat, so I said, here, let me try. So I was moving the machine around on my belly with, of course, the gel on it, and I was like, come here, and he came, and I was excited, and I was, look, I found the heartbeat. So yeah, it was 165. So next time I make a video, I'll do a video on here. So if anybody wants to hear the heartbeat. So I should go now because I'm getting tired. My daughter wants me to read her some books, so I will go now, and I will talk to you in another video. Bye!